If you're still using HotJar for your heat maps or any other tool where you're spending money, stop right now. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up and use Microsoft Clarity to do all your heat tracking on all your funnels for absolutely no cost. Let's dive right into it. All right, guys, so you may not be familiar with Microsoft Clarity, or maybe you are, but for those who aren't, it is somewhat of a new product. All right, we're going to go over this tool, of course, by Microsoft. And basically, I'm just going to read you some of the stuff on their website and scroll down just to show you, understand your users, improve your product, better your business. If you're not familiar with Heatmaps, a lot of people were using HotJar. I'll show you that in a second. And we used HotJar too for many years. And that was pretty much the flagship software for heat maps. Most people were using, at least. There were other ones too. And I'll show you the pricing and stuff. But now we have Microsoft Clarity. I'll show you why it's much, much better in just a second. But we have heat maps. So generate automatically for all your pages. See where people click, what they ignore, and how far they scroll. So that's essentially what heat map is on your website. Essentially a pixel or a piece of code goes onto your website. You just install it, you know, whatever tool you're using, whether you're using WordPress, Wix, Webflow, GoHighLevel, ClickFunnels. You put it into the code to the header, and then it's going to track everything on your website. So like, for example, you can see ranked by most clicks. You can see what elements they're clicking on. You can actually view the recordings. We're going to dive into all this. This is just an overview of the website. So watch how people use your site. Explore what's working, learn what needs to be improved, and test out new ideas. So that's session recordings. Insights: quickly improve where users get frustrated and turn these problems into opportunities. All right, so this is the point of this, is to optimize conversion. So CRO, conversion rate optimization. You're able to see, this is great if you're running e-commerce websites. Any website, realistically, you should be using this. And I'll tell you why in just a second. Like, lots of people use HotJar, and it makes sense to a degree, but this makes a lot more sense, and you'll see why in just a second. You can connect it to Google Analytics, and yeah, so this is why it's such a gold mine. Is Clarity is free forever, so like zero cost. You'll never run into traffic limits or be forced to upgrade to a paid plan. So that's why it's so great. Clarity integration, better together, integrates all these tools. You can explore them and see. Customer success stories, Clarity users. Works with mobile apps too. So if you're an app developer or you ever have an app, you can use it. There's a Clarity extension. So you're actually going to want to download that. And yeah, so if you go to pricing here, like they were saying, let me just add that over here. Okay, so that is the extension. Let's go back to pricing. So yeah, it's free forever. Enjoy all the features of Clarity, absolutely no cost. You'll never run into any traffic limits or be forced to upgrade to a paid version. All right, get started. See live demo. Here's the features. Always on recording. Click and scroll heat maps. Instant heat map generation. Access to historical data. Rage, click, and dead link in click insights. Share heat maps and recordings. Multiple device support. Rich segmentation with 25+ filters. Support for Ajax and single page apps. Masking and more privacy features. GDPR and CCPA compliance. Easy integration with Google Analytics. Single sign-in and email customer support. Why is it free? Our mission at Clarity is to make behavior analytics available to everyone, from bloggers to Fortune 500 companies. Clarity is built by Microsoft, one of the largest tech companies in the world. Microsoft possesses a massive amount of anonymous data around the world, around user behavior, to gain access, to gain insights and improve machine learning models that power many of our products and services. Clarity is one of the ways Microsoft gathers important data and why we've made it available for free. We'll never share your data with third parties. All right, so I actually never read that part. I kind of like guessed, but it's kind of funny now to actually see that. Yeah, they're doing it because they want all the data. That's how you're getting paid. Data is a very expensive asset, to say the least. But Yeah, I didn't know they were so upfront with exactly that. Kind of, I mean, I guess it makes sense. So either way, you're gonna have a company using the data. But yeah, that is Clarity. There are some resources as well. You can check that out, and you can go through Copilot. Let me just see what this is. Copilot and Clarity. Let's talk analytics. Wow, so that's actually really cool. Wow, that's super cool. Okay, so this is somewhat newer, since they've started implement. Like, I haven't seen this part yet. Clarity chat, Google Analytics chat. That's really cool. So this is something that HotJar does not have, to my knowledge. So if you're not familiar with HotJar, I'll quickly show you. And one thing that I found kind of funny is when I searched for HotJar on Microsoft Bing, or yeah, this is, what is this? Yeah, Bing. They have right at the top, promoted by Microsoft, want to better a website or build a better website, add Clarity, instant heat map, session recordings, powerful insights, and it's 100% free, no credit card. So they're like directly, basically, I mean, it kind of would suck to be HotJar, and they've been doing this for a long time. And you can see here HotJar's website. I'm not going to go over it all, but essentially if we go to the pricing, and I could be wrong, I don't know exactly, I can't quote the exact pricing HotJar was maybe like a year or two ago, but I believe, to my knowledge, that this didn't look exactly like the pricing. From what I remember, and if I'm wrong, if you know in the comments, let me know. But I don't believe this basic plan right here that's free for forever. Okay, so it does have a limit. So maybe it's always been like this, because I know for a fact, I do remember that the free plan had limitations. And so obviously it doesn't have, you can see it doesn't have these extra features, but it has unlimited heat maps, recording sessions, whatever, but it track up to 35 daily sessions, so only 35 a day. Here you can do only 100 a day for $39 a month. All right, so here you get unlimited heat maps, recording of user sessions, basic filters, HubSpot integration, dashboards, highlights, $0, track 35 sessions a day. $39 a month is 100 sessions a day, page view filters, session information and technology filters, event API, track custom user actions, and then $99 a month is behavioral experiment, frustration engagement scores. So this is something that, like, yeah, Clarity already has. Identify API, track customer user attributes, all custom built integrations. So this is 500 daily sessions. Okay. And if you're doing e-commerce, right, like this is nothing. Like, I mean, if you're running ads, you're scaling, this is really not that much, like 100. So you're spending 99 bucks. And then, wow. So just when, it's funny because you can see, like, obviously, it's software, this doesn't cost them really anything. When you go to $200 a month, so just double, it goes from 500 daily sessions to 270,000 daily sessions. You also get funnel trends, console tracking errors, enter all this other stuff, right? But and I think you can even build your own bundle, and you can even add up to be even more, right? So like it can get very expensive, like $700-800 a month right here, $900 a month, right? And so let's just exit out of HotJar. We don't need HotJar. We're done with that. Yeah, that is why Clarity is ultimately way better, because of, I mean, it's free and they give you everything, no limitations, no nothing. It's just better. And let's see. So I'm going to show you an example. So let's go ahead, just do Stride community, right? And we'll do this. If you haven't joined the Stride community, it's a free community of like-minded entrepreneurs. It's free for now. Go check out this link in the description and you can join it for free Facebook group, free Discord channel. And there's a lot of free resources. If you like the value from this video so far, make sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and there's a lot more in the actual Stride community. All right, so once you do that, it's going to say almost there. Choose an installation method to get started. So install on third-party platforms. I'm not going to, I'll click it just to show you what's there. So You have all these different ones you can use to install it, right? We're actually going to go back to installation methods, and we would want to go on get tracking code. You're going to simply copy this code, and let me just pull up. I'll literally show you exactly how to do it, just so it's very, very simple. But it's going to give you a tour and some steps to go ahead and do to get started, such as select your site category, see Clarity data in Google Analytics, add team members, manage IP addresses. Clarity should not capture traffic for us. So if you want it to be very accurate, you maybe want to block your own IP, because you're obviously going to be going to your website, checking it out, etc. So you don't want data that's not for your prospects or for your customers, etc. Incorrect data. So let's just go. All right, here we go. Stride community. So I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to do. So this is going to be different if you're using ClickFunnels or WordPress, whatever, but the same principles apply. All you're going to do is go to your website builder. For me, it is GoHighLevel, and we're going to go to settings, and then I'm just going to go to the header, tracking code, paste in my Clarity code like so, and then I'm just going to save it. Now it could take a little bit of time to propagate, so I'm just going to go over back to Clarity, and let's just refresh here. All right, so like I said, it could take a little bit of time. I installed the code. Why am I not seeing the data? All right, so it's still loading, and it will, like, it sometimes takes some time, but you can see here I just loaded up the website here, and it says one user is online. Follow your users in real time, watch live recordings. You'll drop in on user sessions in progress and see what happens next. So go to watch now, and we can see entry user ID. We can see it's from Canada, which I'm from Canada. Windows computer, PC. All right, so I'm blocking out this left side right here, but we can see the date and time, user ID, the exact, pretty much not the exact, but we see the city. We see the device name, how many clicks they made, how many page views, the entry URL. We can literally see and play this whole session right here, right? You can see where the click was, which was right here. We can see the mouse going over here. And then I switched tabs, I believe, so that's why it's like that. Let me fast forward. Let me see if I go here, close this and scroll, do another click. Let's see what happens. So if I refresh this, go back here. So we can see that this has been added right here. We can see a bunch of clicks, scrolling, etc. right here. So we can see here that it's been on the page for 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Also too, guys, if you go to settings, you can change the settings here. 30 tour. You can add team members, unlimited team members. Setup, which is here. Install tracking code. That's what we did already. Masking, so this prevents text from being sent to our servers. So yeah, you can hide specific text. You can either make it strict, balanced, or relaxed. All right, so maybe if you're using like a checkout page, you want to block the customer, credit card, etc. IP blocking, block specific IPs. Smart events, so smart events capture key user actions on a site, browse through automatically highlighted by Clarity, or create your own in minutes. No code required. Copilot. So this is really cool. Copilot and Clarity. You're gonna have to just connect Google Analytics, do all these steps. What are you looking for with Copilot? Submit, and then you can start talking to Copilot. Data export. You can use API to export data for easy consumption and integration. Please note that API calls are limited to 10 calls per project per day. Not bad. That's pretty good. Like, to be honest, I mean, you're probably not going to need a bunch going out per day. Integrations. So Google Tag Manager, Software, ClickFunnels. They should get GoHighLevel, Bubble, Webflow, etc. So all these integrations, and I'll refresh one more time. So yeah, it's not loading, but that is pretty much some of the main stuff, like just showing you how to actually use Clarity. If you go to the dashboard, it is a very nice user interface. You'll see it once you install it. You can actually move things around. It will track all the user sessions, all the data. And then heat maps, and you'll be able to see like the exact heat maps and all that good stuff. So sometimes it does take a little bit to actually install the pixel and for it to load, but once you actually get it, it may take like a few hours, I don't even know, an hour or two, whatever, maybe less probably. But once it actually loads up and it's, you know, propagated within Clarity, you can go to the dashboard, go to heat maps, go to recordings, and look at all the stuff. And it's really just a great tool. It's 100% free, and it's kind of a hidden gem. It's somewhat new, a lot of people don't know about, so I just wanted to get on here, share this video with you guys. If you did get value from it, make sure to smash that subscribe button. We upload videos here every single day about AI, business growth, automations, workflows, how to improve your business as well as your personal life with tech and all that good stuff. So I will see you in tomorrow's video, guys. Like I said, join the free Stride community, stridecommunity.com. Free Facebook group, free Discord channel, loads of value inside of there. You can network with like-minded individuals as well as myself. And I will see you in tomorrow's video, guys. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and of course, accelerate your stride. Take care.